Many Christian parents want their children to be a part of an academic environment that aligns with the biblical truths they are teaching at home, instead of being in opposition to them. Your child will spend over 14,000 hours in a classroom by the time they graduate, making the information they are exposed to a critical part of who they become as an adult and how they include their faith as a part of their worldview. Plaza Heights Christian Academy is a welcoming community with caring teachers that places an emphasis on biblical truth and academic excellence that allows students to flourish beyond traditional academic standards. At PHCA, we don't just teach the truth of Scripture, we infuse it into every aspect of our student life. We share biblical truth with engaging chapel services, daily Bible lessons, intentional discipleship, worship-centric music programs, and competitive athletics with a focus on integrity. Join the community of Christian families who are seeking more out of education. Choose Plaza Heights Christian Academy and give your child the foundation they need to excel academically while growing in their relationship with God, preparing them for whatever the Lord has for their future and equipping them to impact the world for Christ.